Hey guys, today I'm doing a video at Double Locks, Exeter. Today I'm going to be doing a biking video with me and my friend Samuel. You might have seen him in a couple of previous videos. Say hey, Samuel.
Hello.
Samuel, come on, get your bike. Do that my bike, guys. There's Samuel.
I'm coming in.
Oh, and then there's his brother Ollie. Sorry, I should say hi.
Hi.
So, guys, today we're going to be making quite a long video. So Samuel! Guys, here he is. Hello, Joel.
Oh my God, just say, my chain does pop a bit.
Yeah, so he might stop a couple of times. So, Ollie, you doing it?
I've just got to get in my gear.
Whoa, look at that. Bad boy. So, guys, that was Ollie just going down. To be fair, please hit that big fat red subscribe button and leave a big fat thumbs up. Thanks, guys. There's Samuel in the orange top. Come on, let's go get my bike. Yo, Samuel, come